Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make PowerPoint presentation in mobile phone. Yes, let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from a mobile, so I have the Word file, so I want to convert into PPT, that is PowerPoint presentation. So I have the text, I want to type the text, I want to make a PowerPoint presentation. So how it is possible? I don't have any laptop, desktop, anything. So just open your mobile phone and just search PowerPoint presentation application. If you have PowerPoint presentation, it's not a problem. Otherwise, just go to Play Store and install the application called PowerPoint. So Microsoft has provided PowerPoint presentation, which is easy to access to create a PowerPoint, different kind of PowerPoint presentation. So I just want to create a PowerPoint presentation with words. I don't want to give any other animation or any other things. Automatically it will be update, that is the latest update from the PowerPoint presentation. How to use that? So on top right hand side you will find an option called plus button. Just click that. So you will get a new option, that is create in. That is OneDrive or in this device or different location. You can choose according to your need. For example, I just select this devices, so I just click here for the blank presentation. So once I click the blank presentation, so this is a new thing. Try out outline view preview. So once you give the outline of the PowerPoint text, automatically PowerPoint itself generate, that is artificial intelligence will generate the different kind of theme as well as the icon, everything. So how it is possible? Yes, just click OK. So once you click OK, automatically PowerPoint presentation title and title slides will be displayed over here, slide 1 and slide 2. So presentation title, so I just want to give some welcome to HowXT. I just type this, and if you want any subtitle, something you can give according to you. And this is the first slide. Imagine this is the slide number 1. So you don't give any other designs. I just give the title and subtitle. So give according to that. Automatically the PowerPoint itself generate the designs and image, everything. So this is like a marketing. I just type marketing. So once I type marketing is a heading. So marketing as the sub context, that is a sales, and enter. If you want to give enter means just click this blue button, automatically enter, and just type a purchase and what you call that price. So just type whatever information you want, you can add. So the second slide should have the marketing, sales, purchase and prices should be there. And if you want to add one more slide for the slide number 3, so just click the plus button, give the content title and what is the content. For example, so sales means, so or what are the information you want to give, this sales given to that, so something blah blah you can give. So if you want to add more slides, just click to add more slides. So just type purchase. So whatever title you want, you can give, and you can give the content. So only give the content, automatically PowerPoint itself generate design, style, everything. Yes, now I completed my outline. So you have the Word file, means you have completed my details. So now you just, so I have created the outline. Just click the next option. Once you click the next option, creating PowerPoint, this is a beautiful option PowerPoint has given. Yes, as you see here, so the PowerPoint itself designing kind of things. So automatically it will generate a different kind of things. So if I given the sales option, so target icon will be given here. So choose a different kind of design and you can add. For example, so I have given marketing, sales, purchase and prices. So it is according to my needs. So if you want to edit that, you can edit. On the top you will have a pencil box, so you can edit the text according to your needs. So whatever text you want, you can add according to your needs. So if you want to edit something else, you can edit according to your need. I just click a save option. Once you click a save option, automatically the files, the outline files will be ready. So if you want to change something, you just click here to change editing option. So as usual, the PowerPoint will give the option. So it is a beautiful option. So while you are giving the outline, so outline will be create like a PowerPoint model. So they used to give the picture, everything. If you want to edit the picture, you can edit. Otherwise you can keep it like a designing model. So if you don't know how to do the PowerPoint, just to give the outline, whatever Word files is the outline. If you give means PowerPoint on mobile itself have the access to create a beautiful PowerPoint presentation to show to your students, to show your teachers and your colleagues. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Now you can tell you don't know how to do the PowerPoint presentation. You know how to create a beautiful presentation using the outline. Yes, I hope this video will help you. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.